Hello everyone, it's Chloe here and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a extra as hell Christmas tutorial. So for today's video I did this look for you guys. I'm pretty sure I did this look last year, but I'm pretty sure it's very similar to a look I've done in the past. So I'm sorry if the look is pretty much the same, but hey, it's Christmassy, okay? So for this video I used the new Morphe 35B palette. Well, it's new to me because I bought it very recently. It's kind of like a mini review. You get to see what I like about it and what I don't like about it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and as I mentioned in this video, I'm starting to do 3 videos a week for you guys, so I hope you guys start to enjoy that. But if you want to know how I created this look for an extra as hell Christmas party, or you know, just going in the grocery store, you know, whatever you want to do, just keep on watching. Okay everyone, so I pretty much just got up, let's be real. I am so tired, but we're gonna film this because I need to film a makeup tutorial for you guys. So I'm gonna start with my base today just because I feel like that would be the best. I'm using a new microphone, so I don't know how the quality of the sound is gonna be. So if it's a bit shit, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm not really gonna prime my face because I have sweat all over my face right now because it's so hot here. That's my primer today, okay? So for now, I'm just gonna use some primer water and put that all over my face. Oh, it's so nice. So now, like literally every video, I'm using the same 3 products for my face. I know it's getting annoying, but I'm not gonna play music this time because you guys literally hate my music taste, so whatever. For my foundation shade, I'm going to be using the Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation by Maybelline. Love this shit. If you haven't tried it, please go out and buy one. It's so good. So I'm just going to use a little concealer brush and put that all over my skin. You know, you got to be full coverage for the holidays. But obviously I'm in Australia, if you haven't realized that already, and it's summer here, so it's really hot. So I'm going to probably melt this makeup off while filming today because I'm planning on filming like 3 videos today for you guys, because I'm starting to upload 3 times a week for you guys. So I think this video is going to be going up on Wednesday. I'm posting Monday, Wednesday and Friday for you guys throughout the month of December. I'm going to try my best, you know, I'm gonna actually try to do it. I have like videos planned and everything, so I'm just going to blend this out with my beauty blender. But yeah, so I'm going to upload some Christmassy videos, but I'm also going to post some Chloe Benson videos. But majority of them are going to be Christmas themed, like this one you're watching right now. I'm very excited to see if I can actually do it, and then maybe in the future I can actually post 3 times a week on occasion. Because I really don't know how people post so many times a week because it's so time consuming. So like I don't even know how people do that, but I'll try my best for you guys, you know. I woke up really late today, don't know why. So I have my cup of apple juice with me, and Rudolph is keeping me company, you know. My skin ain't looking good today. It ain't looking good. But now I'm going to conceal with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Wow. The Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Fairest. And I'm going to put a bit of that under my eyes. A bit on my forehead, my nose, my chin, and a bit on my cupid's bow. I'm running out of concealer. It ain't fun. And then I'm going to blend all of that out. You guys love this thing. If this is featured in a video, you know it's a really good makeup tutorial. Should we give it a name? I feel like we should give it a name. Leave a comment down below. And now I'm going to set all of that concealer and foundation with my Coty Airspun loose powder in translucent. Oh, sorry. So my base is on now. Everything is set into place. I don't know what this is. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Oh my god, I need to burp. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my eyebrows now. The birds are going crazy, so I'm so sorry if you can hear them. But I'm going to be using the Essence Duo Brow Powder thingy. This stuff is literally beautiful. So I'm going to use the darker shade on the outer tail area, and then the lighter shade on the front of my brow. That kind of looks alright. Just watch these eyebrows be really uneven and like not looking like the same, okay? They look kind of even actually. We're having a good day. We're having a good day. They're not the best eyebrows, but hey, what can you do? So now to keep my brows on my face and not moving or anything and like stuck down and like snatched, I'm gonna be using the Pretty Little Thing brow gel. I got this in my order that I did, and I literally love this thing. It's so good. So I'm just going to use that through my brows to make them stay in place and just add a little bit more definition. Now we're on to the fun fun stuff. We're going to do my eyes now. I recently bought this from Morphe. This is the 35B Color Burst palette. Boy, this is beautiful. I am going to film a haul. This video will probably be up on Wednesday. The haul will be up on Friday. So you'll probably see this twice in a row. But this is what it looks like. I don't like the new packaging, but it's fine. This is me in a palette. Like, this is literally me in a palette. So I don't actually know what I'm going to be doing for this video. I know I want to do green and like a red. This isn't really a red. It's like more of a pinky red, but it's fine. I'm thinking of doing green in the crease, cutting it, and green eyeliner. I'm going to do one eye now and then one eye off camera. I just thought that's going to be easier because it's going to be very technical, you know. Okay, so let me figure out what color to use my crease because there's a lot of greens. My eyes are technically already set from when I did my foundation and stuff. I'm going to go in with this color here, right here, and a bit of maybe this color or this color, just to mix the greens to put that in my crease. This is the first time using them on my eyes. I did swatch them on Instagram live stream. They weren't the best, but we'll see what it looks like on my eye. It's like I always say, the swatches on your hands are always different to what they look like on your eye. That was kind of blue. Was that just me? So definitely dabbing motions on the eye makes it more pigmented. It looks blue. Let me grab some of this lighter green. Oh my god, there's so much fallout. You've got to be shitting me. Oh my god, that is so much. It looks blue. Is it blue to anyone else? I really should have tested this out beforehand because like now this is going to look like shit. I think this is okay. It's getting better. It's getting better. So I haven't really done much to it, but I do want to cut the crease and then work on it. I feel like that's really how I work with my eyes. I'm going to cut my lid with the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS. This one's in Light 1 Chantilly. I used to always use this on my channel, so here we are. And I'm actually going to use the technique where you look up just because I think it will look better. Let's hope anyway. So I'm going to put a bit right near my lash line and look up. Make a weird face, and that's where it is. It just is so high for me. Like it just does not work for me anymore. Okay, so now I have the outline with a bit more concealer on. I'm going to carve it out as best I can. Hopefully it won't look shit. It looks insane. Okay, dog. Okay. Okay, so now I have that outline. It's looking like a mess. I think we're doing okay. So there is a white eyeshadow in the Morphe palette, so I'm going to set all of this with the white eyeshadow. So I'm going to go back in with the green shade and just clean up the crease a bit more because it's not very bright, is it? I'm just going to make this color more green because it is basically the statement piece. So it needs to be bright as heck. So this isn't actually going the way I wanted it. I can tell you that right now. Okay, so now I think this is where it's going to go uphill from here. I was going to do green eyeliner, but I think I might do red. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the liquid lipstick by Jeffree in Redrum. I live for this. This will probably be on my lips as well. I'm going to put a bit of that on the back of my hand. This is my go-to red and it's so good. Let's pray this works, shall we?
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
That ain't too bad. Okay, we're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. So this is what's happening. So now I'm going to use a red eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Oh, did I just ruin it? I think I just ruined it. Everything is going wrong now. Everything. Can this dog be quiet, please? I'm having a mental breakdown. There is so much fallout on my nose also, just so that you know. I have now just ruined the look. It was going good. Okay, it's looking a bit better now because I'm covering it up with powder, like a lot. So my under eyes are going to look cakey, I'm sorry. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then come back to you guys, do mascara and lashes, and then do my face and my lips, and then finish this off. Hey, I'm back with both eyes on. The eyeliner is a bit different on this side compared to this. It's fine, okay, it's fine. Now we're going to finish off the eyes by doing mascara and lashes, and then we're going to do the face. I'm really excited. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Dodo lashes in the style D105. I do have a discount code for you guys. Check the description box, always. So I'm going to be using these bad boys today, so I'm going to put glue on them already, and then when they're getting tacky, we'll do mascara and stuff. So the lash glue that I use is the Duo Eyelash Glue. I freaking love this thing. So this is the clear white one. I freaking love this shit, like I just said. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand and just basically coat my lashes. While they become tacky, we're going to do my mascara. Like always, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm going to coat my lashes on the top and also the bottom with mascara. Fun. But I think I'm going to like start my face already just because I want to. So for my contour, I'm going to be using the Designer Brands contour kit, and I'll be using obviously the contour shade. I'm going to contour my face, make it all snatched, you know. Next, I'm going to bronze. This is the Kardashian Beauty Cabana Bronze Bronzer. So we're just going to bronze to the max today. Okay, so before I do my highlight, I'm just going to spray my face with some of the Urban Decay setting spray. I love this shit. Oh my god, this dog. And then I'm going to use the Jeffree Star highlighter in Eclipse. I'm not going too ham on the highlight just because my eyes... Oh my god. Can he please be quiet? That'd be great. A bit on my nose. And my Cupid's bow. So last for my face, I'm going to be using the Bow Brown Illuminating Bronzing Powder in Maui 3. This dog. And I'm just going to blush this. I swear, I'm sorry about the dog. I can't help it. Okay, so my face is done. Before I put my lashes on, I'm just going to spray my entire face once again. So now we're going to put on these lashes. Hopefully they're not too tacky. This is so dramatic. I love it. Okay, so while they just set a bit more, I'm going to do my lips now. I think I'm going to go with Redrum. I didn't know if I was going to do Redrum or Crocodile Tears, but going with Redrum. So back again with the red lipstick.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow.
How do people make their lipstick look so good? Okay guys, I think we are done. This is my extra as hell makeup tutorial. So everybody, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It didn't turn out like I really wanted it to, but I'm pretty sure I did a look like this last year. But hey, I think it looks good, you know, with the red eyeliner. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe. I make 3 videos a week for you guys in December. All my social media links and all the products I used today will be down below in the description. I can't even speak. They will all be down below in the description box. Like always, remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.